Com-vert is a green waste recycling and composting business based in Northumberland. Set up by Joe and Dan Robinson in 2002 to diversify their family farm, Com-vert turned to LloydsTSB Commercial Finance to grow their business.
There are two sides to the business. One is the waste management side, and the other is the sustainable gardening products. So on the waste management side, we provide an alternative to landfill for local authorities and landscaping companies. Currently we have a contract with Northumberland County Council and Sunderland County Council. We provide a destination for their garden waste skips and green bins outside people's houses. So waste is coming through the door, we're processing that, keeping it away from landfill. It's going back out of the door, back to the public in small compost bags, in larger dumpy bags, in a range of products ranging from enriched soils to worm casts to biomass wood products and to animal beddings. So that's really what we're trying to develop at Com-vert. Diverse markets, diverse top quality products in order to give us strength in the future.
Dan came across as a very financially aware person. He's got a business that he enjoys working for, and we can see that in his actions on a day-to-day basis. It's heavily green orientated, so yes, we're quite keen to involve ourselves in that sector, and his business is going from strength to strength.
In our present guise, it's a very seasonal business. We're very busy in the summer when garden waste is being produced, but very quiet in the winter. And so there comes a point where we need to expend diesel on day one of the month. We can't actually invoice for that waste that came in on day one of the month until the end of the month. We then wait 30 or 60 days to be paid. So that brings about obvious sort of problems in cash flow.
At LloydsTSB Commercial Finance, factoring is a product that advances monies against outstanding invoices, and that was ideally suited to the way that his business was growing. And as the business grows and sales increase, our facility can increase along with them.
We produce our invoice that we're going to send to our customer to Lloyds. They then take the invoice, check that it's a real invoice, and then they'll loan us money on that, on the strength of that invoice, which means instead of waiting 30 or 60 days, we can get the money within sort of 5 days and put that money to work in the business.
He sometimes found he was too busy to perform a credit control function himself, so what we do is we help him out with that. We'll talk to some of his customers as and when the invoices become due, and usually that enables prompt payment from his customers to the facility. We have very experienced client administrators who talk to customers on a day-to-day basis, and very, very rarely do we ever get any problems from a customer as regards the way we discuss a client's business with them.
What I'd say about Lloyds is they were entrepreneurial in their outlook. They could see what we have is essentially a relatively small business, but we've got an awful lot of potential. We're in a growing market, we've got good ideas and we've got high ambitions, and they could see that, and they're willing to sort of subscribe to it now, and from that hopefully we'll have a long relationship.